Hello everyone, myself Rahmat Nisha, an application specialist from Heidelco Medical Private Limited. Heidelco Medical Private Limited was established in the year of 2013 and we are the leading manufacturer of all the range of critical care products and anesthesia workstation, and we have very strong base of installation all across India. Now I am going to explain our patient monitor, and these are the accessories of the patient monitor. Here is the NABP hose, an SpO2 extension cable, SpO2 adult probe, NABP adult cuff, ETCO2 AGM sensor, 5-lead ECG cable, and this is the temperature probe. So as you can see, this is 15-inch high resolution display, and this is the on off switch button. Here is a user configurable display key and alarm reset key for 120 seconds, waveform freeze key, NABP start and stop button, waveform printer button. This is preset viewable display screen. This is a pre-configured basic configuration of SpO2, NABP, ECG, 5-lead, 3-lead, and it is upgradable to 12 leads, dual temperature. And we have CSM cerebral state monitoring, CO2 AGM, dual IBP, and cardiac output. This is the power input, and we have USB port to export the data. We have HL7 protocol, RS232 connections. So this is the bracket for wall mounting. Comes with all the waveforms and parameter settings. So it is in the one screen, single screen, we can able to view up to 9 waveforms. It can be added up to 13. So this is the general waveform list. And secondly, we have a huge digit layout. And third, we have ECG waveform 12-lead ECG. And this is the NABP list with your normal parameters. And here is your oxy CRG, which is oxy cardiac respiratory graph. And the other one is with mini trends. And here is your CSM, which is a cerebral state monitoring, which is equivalent to entropy with the value of CS index, EMG value, signal quality index, and burst spectrum. So it also comes with a clinical calculation of hemodynamic calculation, medication calculation, oxygenation, and ventilation renal function calculation for application convenience.